Hi guys, and today I'll show you 5 easiest way to die in Subway Surfers. Okay, so the first thing is to die when the man is coming. You will do this. Yeah. Then you are unfortunately dead. That's the first thing. Now I'll show you 10 easiest way to die. Okay, so that's the first death. Now I'll show you the second death. It's like this. When you're not moving. Yeah. So, and the third step is to like this. And when the man is coming, yeah, I have to do like this, then yeah. You have to know not like jump when not like jump when the man is not chasing you. And even like the fourth one. The fourth one is you will just only do like that. First you have to pick a super sneaker. There is the super sneaker, and with the super sneaker, yeah, you have to do like this. Then you're unfortunately dead. The fourth easiest way to die is use the hoverboard. Then crash into something until you can't tap the hoverboard, and when you go there, you unfortunately crash. Yeah. Number 5. Already halfway there. Number 5 is the easiest way to die. Means yeah, you have to just use this thing and no, you not use this thing. You have to find the super sneaker again. And with the super sneaker, you will do like this, then that's the way to die. Like sixth way to die means like this. Yeah. And if you got close to the trains, you can just like it. You can just like move like not carefully, and you won't get caught by the inspector and his dog. Yeah, he's coming to you, and you just hit. Yeah, your head got hit. Then she is still running. We call him Sheep because he is tricky right now. 7th easiest way to die. Yeah, it means when a train comes to you. You see the train coming and pop! Yep, you die like that when a train comes near you fastly. 8th way to die is something, let me think, that confuses you. So when when you jump like that, you don't have enough space. Like when I jump like this. Yeah. So you can see that I am jumping not enough space. Oh, come on. Yeah. So even like, oh, come on. What is happening? Nope, I can't do that. Okay, so the eighth easiest way to die, let me think of it. It's like staying on the lands. Yeah, if there's only middle of the, if you're trying to complete the mission, get 45,000 points in the middle part when you're walking. Yeah, it would be very hard, but easy for like X30 multiplayer. Ninth easiest way to die is like this. Yeah, you're so confused when you jump like this to there and it doesn't work. You are so close. 10th way to die is we need a sword again. Okay, and now I got it. And with this super sneaker, you have to... No, it's gone. Okay, got it. Okay, and with this thing, now it's going to be gone now. Got it. And with this thing, you have to hit this thing and you die. Because this thing is so tall. You can't even get up there. When you have a jackpot and you can land on there, and that's the way how you get there. Alright boys, thank you for watching this video. I did show you 10 easiest ways to die. If you want to click the like button below, you have to make sure subscribe to the video, and I got 134,000 points. That's really nice with X5. And if you want to see other games of ways, you have to make sure subscribe me 50. Yeah, to reach 50 subscribers and give 5 likes in this video. Then I'll create another way to die. Okay, bye.